Hi, this is Andy Cole with TEC. We're going to look at an example of a clean pit. Now, when I say that, this is 30-plus-year-old equipment. It's Dover equipment, and it's hydraulic. So you're looking at equipment that there's a lot of oil and things of that nature. You know, you have slide guides with oil. Your pistons are pushing oil. So there's a lot of ability for the pit to be really dirty. So we know we have a pretty well maintained elevator system just looking at this pit and how clean it is. It's a duplex unit, and right now it's in pretty good shape and it's being maintained well. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the elevator consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.